You imagine planting a single seed and one day standing beneath a majestic palm producing rich caramel, like Medjool fruit, often called the royalty of dates for its size, sweetness, and luxurious texture. While it may seem like something reserved for desert farms, the truth is that with patience, knowledge, and the right care, you can begin growing Medjool right at home. Even as a beginner in the USA, you are welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. Growing Medjool is not just gardening. It's a long-term journey that connects you with nature in a powerful way. Unlike fast-growing vegetables, this plant teaches patience, consistency, and vision. And while fruit production may take years, the beauty of the palm itself makes the journey worthwhile from day one. The process begins with selecting a viable seed. A fresh Medjool date seed from a high-quality fruit is the best starting point. After cleaning the seed thoroughly, soaking it in warm water for 24 to 48 hours helps activate germination. This simple step softens the seed coat and prepares it for sprouting. Once prepared, the seed can be planted in a pot filled with well-draining soil. Position it vertically or slightly angled, covering it lightly with soil. Keeping the soil warm and moist encourages germination, which can take several weeks. Patience during this stage is essential, as the transformation happens quietly beneath the surface. Light is one of the most critical factors for Medjool growth. These palms thrive in full sunlight and require at least 8 hours of direct sun daily. For USA growers, especially in cooler regions, placing the plant near a south-facing window or using grow lights can help simulate the intense sunlight found in desert climates. Temperature plays a major role in success. Medjool prefers warm conditions, ideally between 75° F and 100° F. It does not tolerate frost, which means in many parts of the USA, container growing is the best option. This allows
Sunlight
you to
Medjool,
move the
king of
plant
dates.
indoors during colder months, protecting it from temperature stress. Watering requires balance, while the plant appreciates consistent moisture during early growth. It is naturally adapted to dry climates. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes beginners make. The soil should be allowed to dry slightly between watering sessions, ensuring healthy root development without the risk of rot. As the plant grows, its iconic long, feather-like leaves begin to appear. This is a sign that your Medjool is thriving. At this stage, feeding becomes important. A balanced fertilizer applied during the growing season supports strong development and vibrant foliage. Soil quality should not be overlooked. A sandy, well-draining mix works best, mimicking the natural desert environment. Adding organic matter helps retain just enough moisture while still allowing excess water to drain away. Pruning is minimal but beneficial. Removing dead or damaged fronds keeps the plant healthy and visually appealing. Unlike many fruit plants, Medjool does not require heavy pruning, making it suitable for beginners. One of the most important things to understand is the timeline. Growing Medjool from seed to fruit bearing stage can take several years. However, the plant itself becomes a stunning ornamental palm long before it produces fruit, adding a tropical, Exotic
of
feel
dates.
to your space. Common challenges include slow growth, which is normal for this plant. Ensuring proper light, warmth, and care will keep it on track. Yellowing leaves may indicate overwatering
Medjool,
or
king
poor
of dates.
drainage, while stunted growth can result from insufficient sunlight. Pests are generally not a major concern, but occasional issues like spider mites can occur, especially indoors. Regular inspection and gentle cleaning help maintain plant health. For beginners, the key to success is managing expectations. While you may not harvest dates immediately, the experience of nurturing a medjool plant is deeply rewarding. It's a long-term investment that grows with you. Growing this plant also brings a unique aesthetic to your home or garden. Its tall, elegant structure and tropical appearance make it a centerpiece, whether placed indoors or outdoors. What makes Medjool truly special is the story behind it. Every leaf, every inch of growth represents patience, care, and dedication. It's not just a plant, it's a journey. So take that first step, plant your seed, give it warmth, sunlight, and care. You would begin your journey toward growing one of the most luxurious fruits in the world. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.